Your ancestors in Europe. Do you have family legends, myths, stories of your ancestors arriving in the UK from Europe? Does your hair colour, eye colour, or skin colour suggest that your ancestors are from somewhere else, maybe from Eastern Europe or from Southern Europe? So how could you trace these ancestors? The records of aliens or foreigners arriving into Britain are few and far between. The record sets are generally held by the National Archives in Kew, London. The two key subscription websites do hold records. So, for example, Ancestry holds England alien arrivals from 1810 to 1869. Find My Past has a small set of records which is called the Gravesend Register, and this is passengers who passed through the Port of London in 1669. Links to these can be found on my blog. I hope you have success for your European research. If you're looking to start out in family history research, then consider looking at my online course, which is available 24/7, 365 days a year, and it will take you through all the basics of researching your ancestors. Based on English records, it is suitable for other record types, and my blogs and videos update you on other types of records across the world that are suitable for your research. What stories might your ancestors tell?